In this lecture, we're going to be discussing class constants. Now, I know in our previous lectures, we've discussed global constants, but in this lecture, we're going to be more focused on class constants, and I'll show you the differences as well. Now, I start by using my PHP tags, of course, because we want to use PHP code. And the main differences between global constants and class constants is that with global constants, they can be defined and declared anywhere within the PHP script or tags as we see here. So again, with global constants, they can be used anywhere within the PHP script. Now, with class constants, they can be defined only within a particular class. I'll show you guys by demonstration. So I'll put this is an example of class constants. And another key point is that when you're defining global constants, again, we're using the define function by PHP, while with class constants, we begin a constant by using the keyword, the PHP built-in keyword called const or const, followed by the constant name in all capital letters for good programming purposes. So I'll just call this constant car_1 without the $sign. So remember, constants are different from attributes. We do not need to use the $sign, which is that. We just use our constant name, which I call it car1, and we assign it a one-time value. Again, let me create my class first, and I'll call it car. And let me just put my curly braces here. Because again, class constants can only be declared within a class, a particular class. So I'll just call this car1 and I'll assign it Honda Civic. And I'll just take this, copy, and paste it. And I'll just name these car2 and car3 and change the car name. So I'll just say Chevy Blazer, and let's just say for our car 3, I love let's say what other cars out there, Ford Mustang, which is one of my favorite muscle cars. Chevy Mustang 5.0. Okay. So once we do that, this is in a nutshell the most basic syntax of how to declare and assign a one-time value to our class constants. Now, again, constants cannot be reassigned a new value throughout the entire script or PHP script as well. Once we do that, we can just open up some space here. And we can write another comment, and I'll just put class constants. I'll do that. Let me give it some space. I'll tab over because that's how I like to code my work. And pretty much in a nutshell, that's how we declare our constants, class constants as well. Straightforward.